Hey there! Welcome back to our channel Forex Titan FX. If you're navigating the exciting world of day trading, you've probably come across a lot of information, some of it true, and some not so much. Today, we're here to bust some myths wide open. Get ready to learn the truth about 9 common myths about day trading. Myth number 1, easy money. Myth number 1, day trading is easy money. While the potential for profit is there, it takes dedication, discipline, and a solid strategy to consistently make gains. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Minimal effort. Myth number 2, day trading requires minimal effort. The reality is quite the opposite. Successful day traders spend hours analyzing the markets, studying trends, and refining their strategies. It's hard work. Always profitable. Myth number 3, day trading always leads to profits. Unfortunately, losses are part of the game. Even the most experienced traders have losing trades. It's all about managing risk and minimizing losses. Luck-based. Myth number 4, day trading is all about luck. Trading is about analysis, strategy, and risk management. While luck might play a small role occasionally, relying solely on luck is a recipe for disaster. You need a finance degree. Myth number 5, you need a finance degree to succeed in day trading. While a financial background can help, it's not a prerequisite. Many successful traders come from diverse fields and learn through experience. Constant action. Myth number 6, day traders are always in action. Contrary to popular belief, successful day traders aren't constantly making trades. They're patient and selective, waiting for high probability setups. No losses with the right strategy. Myth number 7, with the right strategy, you won't have any losses. Every strategy has its strengths and weaknesses. Even the best strategies won't guarantee a 100% success rate. It's about managing risk and adapting. Instant success. Myth number 8, you'll achieve instant success. Just like any skill, day trading takes time to master. Be prepared for a learning curve, setbacks, and continuous improvement. High frequency. Myth number 9, the more trades you make, the higher your profits. High-frequency trading can actually increase transaction costs and stress levels. Quality over quantity is the golden rule. Thanks for tuning in, traders. Remember, debunking myths is a step toward becoming a more informed and successful trader. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Stay vigilant and trade wisely. See you in the next video.